how to use a filter in Capcut PC. Drag the video you want to work on onto your timeline. Once you have that done, go to the top of your Capcut PC screen and look for the filters icon. Once you are there, click on it, and you're going to see a drop down menu of different filters already uploaded by Capcut. Note that any filter you see with the purple diamond next to it are for only pro users, and the one without the purple diamond is for free users. And what we want to use for this project is the one for free users. So I'm going to go for the Midsummer Party. Now to select any filter, go down right and look for the plus icon with the bluish logo. Click on it to select it, and as you can see, the filter has already been added to the video. And if you come down to your timeline, you will see the filter already on top of your video. Now if you want the filter to be for your video in total, you can drag it for it to cover your whole video. And if the filter is too harsh for you, you can reduce the intensity till it suits you. Let's play to check it out. Hit the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell for more tutorial videos like this.